Hello and welcome Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to be doing more graphing of relations. This lesson is set up as an exploration where you're going to be exploring this format. We have y is equal to mx n plus or minus b. So you're going to be determining what effect the m, the n, and the b have on the graph. If we just started with y is equal to x on a very simple graph, going to look like that. It's going to cross the origin, 0 and 0. It's going to be 1 and 1, 2 and 2, -1, and -1, -2, and -2. It's going to continue on like that. That's your simplest graph. That's kind of your control. Your job is going to be find out how the m affects this graph. You're going to find that the steepness changes. So I'm going to find out how the steepness or the slope changes when the m value changes, and what effect a positive m and a negative m. So what would 2x look like, or negative 2x look like? How are their graphs going to change? Also during this, you're going to look at the b value and determine what effect that has on your graph. If your equation has something that looks like y is equal to x plus 1, what effect does that plus 1, or what effect does that subtract 2, -2 have on the end? What does that do to the whole graph? So you'll be comparing that to your original y is equal to x. You're also going to be exploring what an exponent does. So if we have y is equal to x to the power of 2, or y is equal to -x to the power of 2, what do those graphs look like? Or even what does y to the x to the 3 or y to the negative x to the 3 look like? So as you go through, be thinking about what part am I changing? Is it the number that x is multiplied by? Is it the exponent, or is it the addition or subtraction on the end? And what effect does this have on my graph? Sure to check the class website for the handout and the assignments.